Yo, this is what's up today. I'm driving the fuck out of this beast lately. I got some footage on the camera I got here. No, it's not a GoPro. It's not too bad. Has back and front view. Still 1080p. But yeah, what I'm doing now is putting bigger shocks on her. Make her sit higher. At least an inch. Inch and a half. I biffed her yesterday a little bit. Bent the fuck out of my clutch lever. It was like way out here. So I bent it and I kind of put like a little finger groove, I guess you could call. That still all works. Nicked my new paint job. Gonna have to touch that up. It sucks doing stuff like that. Yeah, I was kind of gooning her last night. Yeah, it's up right now. This is the CB230 and the Suzuki frame. Or it could be a CB200, I'm not too sure. As long as I've had this motor. I've actually never known what it really was, so. Yeah, there she is. That's what's up with today. Take her easy. Peace.